Look at that! It's turning pink, and the foamy bubbles are rising up. It's fizzing like crazy. Hi everyone! Today we are going to make this super cute and mysterious drink. It looks like there's a little flask-shaped cup inside. Feels like a school science experiment. The instructions are clearly printed on the back. Alright, let's open it up. I wonder what it looks like. Oh, there are two kinds of powder. Wow! A flask cup and a straw too. Look at this! It's a real little flask. And look, there are cute drawings on it. I'm getting even more excited. Let's start making it right away. First, pour water into the flask up to the 100cc line. Be careful not to spill. Just about here. Now we will add the drink powder into the flask. I'm a little nervous. Wow! It's fizzing! And look at that gorgeous purple color! It smells sweet like grapes. So yummy! Now, shake the flask gently until the powder completely dissolves. It feels like it might spill out, so I'm being extra careful. Is it all mixed? Looks like it. Such a beautiful purple color. Next, we will add the magic powder. The instructions say foam might spill out, so put the flask on a plate just in case. I'm getting nervous again. Carefully now. Look at that! It's turning pink. And the foamy bubbles are rising up. It's fizzing like crazy. I was kind of hoping it would overflow, but I didn't bubble up as much as I expected. If you look closely, you can really see the foam. Maybe it's carbonated. It's a lovely pink color. Let's give it a taste. Itadakimasu. It's a fizzy grape soda. So bubbly and tasty. It's super easy to make and really delicious. Highly recommended. On this channel, we feature tons of fun Japanese DIY candy kits. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!